Tumugeria bono tigatuske mutu aso mwaziri wiki semi muske Julius Migoso Ogamba nigo abakwanira banene beki skuru imeye county ya Kisii elyo kubasemya na kubasaba batige Komenta chi school fees ebatalia kubwatira ichiko yamaega yo morokyo monebwe school ya Alliance Girls kwerure EGETAMBOKERO keri chiko maega yoko tukokana nelimo cho lyo Komenta school fees elya korwabeka korwa chiribu chimye 50 chimisana 55 gwika chiringi chiribu chimye yemo na 20 emyeyemo na 50 na kianda mamincha yeri chiko wose aborokia nabateneri b'ekskuru bono nigo baboriwe kwerutare na kwebeka nsemo yo gotamenta chi school fees batari kubwatia ari chiko nonye nigo bambaterenga bareo chigotoka nigo bachikuru EGETAMBOKERO getindiki eri chiko.
Alliance, there was an uproar from the parents about the fee increase of Alliance, where it was indicated that the fee was increased from the 53,000 that is permitted to around 120,000 without the approval of the ministry. And that is why we've requested TSC to look into the matter and probably undertake administrative disciplinary proceedings against the principal, because when our officers went into the school, they found those details and the increment and confirmed this increment was not sanctioned by the ministry as provided for in the Act. So the issue that is facing Alliance is also facing many other institutions, and the same processes will be undertaken against any and all principals who have raised school fees without sanction or without approval from the ministry, because this increases the burden to parents. They're also able to look at the budget that was approved by the BOM and found that some of the items that were passed are non-essential items that then leads to the increment in the fees and the burden to parents. So also the county will be looking into the issue of dealing with those particular boards of management where they have approved or sanctioned expenditure in the budget on non-essential issues that are not core to the business of the school. For example, various trips by teachers to various institutions, or costs that are actually unsupported. So this is really what we are trying to do, to just ensure that where there is a fee increment, it is sanctioned and it is approved by all the stakeholders, including the parents. It is the same parents of Alliance High School that raised the issue, and therefore the ministry had no choice but to take action, as we did yesterday.